didn't get any of it on tape. This hat was sitting over here. Seagull was trying to, there was a paper bag that had some garbage in it that I had to tell Seagull no and put it in the recycling bin because the garbage is locked. And I had to make sure I got it away from him. He's gonna go check out the clothes. Yeah, check out the clothes, Seagull? He's gonna check the pillow out. This hat was over here, and I threw it like a frisbee, and I was like, go get it, Seagull. And he went and got it, and he was carrying it around and shit, and I didn't have my phone on me. It's a lot easier for him to pick up than that ball is. Look at that. What's going on, Seagull? Ooh, someone's here. Someone's here. Is this Julie or somebody else? There's someone over there. She just landed on the... Who is that, Seagull? Uh-oh, he's like, there's someone at my property. There's someone at my property. I can hear the baby still. The baby was on the roof. I'm not sure whose baby it is. Hey, Seagull, do you want to play with the hat still? Who the hell is on my telephone pole? Oops, that wasn't very good. You gotta do a little bit better, Seagull. I think he's getting less interested. He was happy and playing for a second there. I didn't have my phone out. He's walking around like he's upset. Seagull, there's someone that's just standing there. That's all she's doing. Oh, is someone on your telephone pole? Yeah, he's not happy. I don't know if you can see because the sun is right there. It's okay, Seagull. Do you want to play with your toy? His feathers are all up. Someone's on his telephone pole. Seagull, you gonna play? You gonna play with your hat? I guess that's it. I swear he had like a happy moment there. Who is this over here? He's gonna get mad if I try to go look. He's gonna get really mad because I'm paying attention to the other seagull. That is not Julie. That's someone else. Who is that, Seagull? Is that someone you know? I bet it's someone you know. Is it a friend? Is it a friend, buddy? Now we've I've got several seagulls coming through. It's a baby. That's a baby seagull. That's a baby. That's a baby flying by. The babies are starting to come up the hill from down by the warehouses and stuff. They're getting better at flying, Seagull. It's the end of August. They're starting to check things out. Uh-oh. 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 Yeah, he's not gonna like this. Seagull, let the baby... Seagull, don't hurt the baby. Poor baby. Has to go that way. Poor baby Seagull. Hard time walking. Seagull, you're limping right now. Okay, I guess that's it. That's heartbreaking. I would have wanted to meet that baby. Seagull.